Hare Krishna, dear devotees. I'm taking you through the course curriculum for Veda Kaishora program, which caters to age group 11 to 15 years old children. Kaishora has three modules, which consists of value education, study of Indian philosophical studies, which includes Bhagavad Gita, and shloka recitations from Bhagavad Gita and Shubhasitas. For the value education part, we take the children through fundamental five values: truthfulness, cleanliness, gentleness, friendship. And these values are covered in 4 to 5 sessions, which include a pre assessment before the children begin the value called Discover Yourself, where there will be short quizzes that they take before beginning this value. Towards the end of the conclusion of these value sessions, they also go through another reassessment of the same value to understand how much they could absorb. As you can see here, just truthfulness has such depth to it that children are taken through the etymological meaning of truth from the current dictionaries as well as from our scriptures, and the reasons why people lie, what are the consequences, and how to practice this value. So, similarly, it is done for the other values as well. There will be course booklets that will be provided for each value, which has activities listed against that value, which the children do along with the teacher in the classroom and sometimes at home. These values are delivered in the form of PPTs and video presentations, which help in the absorption of the value. Next, we go to the study of Bhagavad Gita. This is a precursor for Bhagavad Gita, which includes the very important topics that are the basics in understanding Bhagavad Gita for children. So, level 1 covers all such topics which are important for the study of the Bhagavad Gita. And the third section consists of important slokas from Bhagavad Gita, which they shall recite, and along with that, the application of the sloka and the relevant subhashitas, either from Hitopadesha, Chanakya Niti, like that. So, this is the overall annual program structure for Veda Kaishora curriculum. And we offer this program from ISKCON RR Nagar in collaboration with Harmonix, both online and offline. Hare Krishna.